In this video, I'm going to explain how to use power objects. Power objects are special types of objects that can be connected through power lines. The easiest one to explain will be the pressure plate. So I'm just going to make sure I have my Power Objects tab selected, and then I'll select the pressure plate. I'll just move it in front of the beetle, and to test it out, I'll just drive right over this, and I can see the pressure plate lights up right as the beetle drives over it. If I have another object, maybe just a cube here, that falls right onto it, it will do the same thing, since it simply registers when something is on top of it. Of course, this doesn't do anything itself yet, but what I can do is connect this pressure plate to different objects, such as the color gate. The color gate can block the victory flag like this, and a pressure plate can now connect to it. In order to connect, I have to hold the left shift button and then left click my object, and while holding shift, left click the connecting object. And as you can see, there's now a line visible between these two objects. And I'll remove this. When I hit test and I drive over the pressure plate, the gate opens. I can also see the power flowing from this object to the other object.